Good morning! If you have decided to study to become a professional hypnotherapist, continue with us in this beautiful project of study and learning. Hypnosis is a powerful technique with which you will be able to help and improve the quality of life of a great number of your future patients. Remember, study the description of this video where you can find a link to free clinical hypnosis training classes with several free ebooks. The positive of quitting smoking. 20 minutes after quitting, your heart rate as well as your blood pressure drops. 12 hours after quitting, the level of carbon monoxide in your blood drops to normal. 2 weeks to 3 months after quitting, your circulation improves and your lung function increases. 1 to 9 months after quitting, coughing, nasal congestion, tiredness, and shortness of breath decrease. Cilia, tiny hair-like structures that remove mucus from the lungs, regain their normal function in the lungs, which increases their ability to control mucus, clear the lungs, and reduce the risk of infections. 1 year after quitting, the excess risk of coronary heart disease is reduced to half that of smokers. 5 years after quitting, 5 to 15 years after quitting smoking, the risk of stroke is reduced to the level of a non-smoker. 10 years after quitting, the death rate from lung cancer is reduced to about half of that faced by a person who smokes. The risk of getting cancer of the mouth, throat, esophagus, bladder, cervix, and pancreas decreases. 15 years after quitting, the risk of coronary heart disease is the same as for a person who does not smoke. Quitting smoking also offers benefits that you will notice immediately. You can taste your food better, your sense of smell is normalized, the activities you used to do. Remember that ex-smokers live longer than smokers who continue the habit. Quitting reduces your risk of lung cancer, heart attacks, stroke, and chronic lung diseases. Women who quit smoking before they become pregnant or during the first 3 to 5 months of pregnancy reduce the risk of having a low birth weight baby to the same level as women who have never smoked. Take a look and realize how negative and harmful smoking is. After meditating on it, notice the many benefits, both long-term and short-term, you get from quitting smoking. When you feel the urge to smoke, think about the negatives of smoking and think about the benefits of not smoking. If you're interested in learning more about clinical hypnosis, watch our next video, What to Say When You Are Offered a Cigarette. Remember to study the description of this video where you can find a link to free training classes about clinical hypnosis, with several free ebooks as well. If you have questions, ask them in the comments area. About this topic and many others we'll talk about in the channel and in the videos that we'll publish. So, if you're interested, don't miss our next videos. Thank you very much.